Hi, uh, welcome to the live stream. Okay, there is a little delay in starting the session, but I feel this is okay, right? So let me actually invite everybody. Hi, all. In this video, I am going to mention on binomial theorem. Okay, right. Theorem. So this is what I am going to work on today. Okay, audio is okay, and my things are fine. Yeah. Okay. Now let me go to the dashboard. See where you are trying to see my the board here. See this is the board which I am showing. Okay. I think I need to share it other thing. 1 minute. Let me share it. Mm, okay. Let me share the exact video. Exact place. Yes, I think I have shared the wrong one previously. Yeah, so this particular place. Yeah, I'm in a my Word document, and of course, let me choose one color. So the thing what is required now is binomial theorem. See, many a times, even for me also, it is not easy to what do you call, work on this binomial theorem, but sometimes we need to exactly understand what it says. See, uh, binomial means bi means two, and a polynomial or binomial means there are two terms. By means that means two terms. Two terms. There are two terms which are becoming an expression, whether with x plus y or x minus y, like this. So this is known as a binomial. Okay, right. Next comes what is the next one is that we said, suppose say x plus y. See, we have already seen linear equations, two variables, and okay, we have known variables, we know the coefficients, we know the constant terms, like that. If I simply write x plus y, it means it is having the expression is having the power 1. So what is the coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1. So this is what we need to understand, like this. Then the next one, what we already know, x plus y whole square. I think you remember what is x plus y whole square. So the expansion here, or it is simply written, this is x plus y whole square. So I x square plus 2xy plus y square. See, in the first one, there are two terms. So, and you see this power is 1. So, that means you are having two terms, 1 plus 1. Here, second one, the power is 2, but the coefficients, how many coefficients we have to write? 1, 2, and 1. Okay, hope you are able to grasp what I'm trying to say. In this place, x square coefficient, xy coefficient, y square coefficient. So these three are what we have written here. The terms, if you come, the exponent is 1, so number of terms is 3. So let me write the this one also in a similar way. Here the coefficient power is 1, the number of terms would be 2. Okay. So let me go back. Yeah. Now similarly, we will see another famous expansion of the identity what we have learned. So this is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Okay. So here, what are the coefficients? So you can see x cube has one coefficient. So this is, let me actually demarcate this with something here. So yeah. So these are the coefficients what I am trying to write. Okay. So the coefficients are, here will be 1, 3, 3, and 1. I can see the quotient of x square, x cube, quotient of x square into y, quotient of xy square, quotient of y cube. So, but the number of terms, what are the number of terms here? Number of terms is the co-expansion, the power of the expansion. This is x plus y, binomial. What is the power given here? 3. So 3. How many terms will be there? 3 plus 1, 4. So this is first and foremost point we need to understand first. Then rest of the things will be easy for us. Now the next part, once we are accustomed with what I have just now told you, just now we had certain discussions. So based on that, if I try to write suiting to our binomial theorem, so if I say x plus y only, first what we write? We write this as x plus y whole power 1. We write this as x n plus and y. The coefficients are, and then we further write this as, we further can write this. Let me actually do this like this again. Let me write it again. So this is x and y, and then from this place we have written the coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1, and from this that means we can write 1 and 1. We are writing only coefficients, but this one I would like to write in our binomial theorem terminology. That means I write this as 1c0 and 1c1. See, generally this is how we need to actually express our x plus y. So ultimately, in what way I would like to express this is that x plus y power 1 is equal to 1c0 into x plus 1c1 into y. So this is what is the binomial theorem or the expansion of x plus y. Similarly, let me take the another one. So that is, now I take x plus y whole square. So this, how did I write? X square plus 2xy plus y square. This is what we know. What is the coefficient here? The coefficient in the terms of coefficient, I write 1 plus 1 into x square, 2 into xy plus 1 into y square. Okay. Hope you all are. I am trying to actually make this as an interactive. See, I want it to be as realistic as possible. That is the reason I'm not changed any screen behind me. I just try to make myself available to you. Okay. Uh, Anything, if suppose say my video is not that much good, and something is not that much, attractive, I'll try to make it in the next session, obviously. Okay. Right. So what I'm trying to do now, what I'm trying to do is that the last one now. So this here, I write this as 2c0 x square, because the power here is 2. So this one I write 2c1 into xy. This I write 2c2 into y square. See, just to understand what is this binomial theorem. See, some basic or some fundamental sometimes we miss. So that is the reason I am just trying to show them first as a live video. But as of now, you need to focus on what type of questions come in the exam and how do we attempt that question. But for that also, for me, what I understand is that if I do like this, it will be creating very good what you call understanding to you. You can start your preparation in a good way. Okay. uh, with this short video, I would like to close today, and then we'll again come back in the next session.